what we saw is this beautiful house. You can see here's the office right here, and there's actually 3 bedrooms, right, Avery?
Yep.
They just turned this one into an office. Here's Avery showing you guys the bathroom. He did a little bit of YouTube videotaping. How did you like that?
It's fine.
So Avery had a little chance to video and actually record some of his own video. That was new for him and he enjoyed it. This is the actual foyer where you come in. There's a tall entrance, about 9 to 10 feet ceiling, and you walk down and you can go in the back. And at the very back of the house there is the master suite, right, Avery?
Yep.
I like this window they had high over the bed. You have all that natural sunlight, and then you have those big windows on the side. There you are again, Avery.
Yep.
So as you guys probably noticed, this is a voiceover. There were a lot of people in this model the day we visited, so there's a lot of background noise and talking with conversations on the original. And this is the master bath. How did you like the bathroom?
It's nice and big.
It's got 2 double sinks, and I love the tile on the floor. And the closet space is pretty nice. They've got a couple shelving sections at the top. Now here's the thing about this house. In this 2nd bedroom, they have pretty much all of their tiles and carpeting and their cabinetry set up so that you can actually pick right there on site. Here's the actual laundry room. So there is a laundry hookup off of the kitchen. Now we're downstairs in the downstairs level. It's kind of like a circle, right, Avery?
Yeah.
So we're actually going around the corner into the master bath. There's 2 master bedrooms, one upstairs and one downstairs, so you can pick which one you want to be the master. There's a bedroom connected to this identical bathroom that's upstairs. And literally they're pretty much the same bathroom, right?
Yeah.
I think the only thing that's different is the one downstairs does not have, as you can see, you look back, it doesn't have a double sink. That one only has a single sink. And this is the bedroom. And Avery's going to open the door and show you the closet. And it looks like up there on the shelf you can put your shoes up there if you wanted to, or purses. This is the living space, and that's the way back up to the upstairs. So as you can see, we're walking back around. To your left is where we entered the bathroom, and here is actually the utility room where you have your furnace. Okay, and when we go back out you can see the bathroom, and that's the stairway, the closet under where I'm pointing to. So we're gonna make our way back upstairs, and this is just their kitchen. It's really small, and we showed you a clip of another kitchen. But that's the end of this tour.
Bye.